Good morning, Tamanya. Thank you for joining us this morning. Yeah, I went on ahead and turned it up a little bit, but I'm so glad that you can hear me clearly. That's most importantly exactly what we're doing today. Getting ready for this wonderful Tuesday. I want to make sure that when we get a chance, we do a Zoom call so I can see, whether or not you have this set up, how yours is set up, to make sure your computer is looking like mine so that you can start taking trades with us. So it's something we definitely want to start doing. Yeah, Jody said it was too loud yesterday, so I piped it down. And really, I just have that there for when I'm not talking and people are just looking at the charts. Cool, cool. And here we go. Bismillah. As we begin the day, I assume Dr. Jody is still in bed. See her on the chat. Says she wasn't quite feeling like a tiger. Apparently, she wasn't feeling like a tiger. Again, for clarification purposes, in the bottom right, we have the daily chart. In the middle, we have the 30-minute chart. And on the left, we have the 5-minute chart. Above that, we have the 5-minute line chart. And then we have the 1-minute chart. And then the actual option chain itself. I want to do my absolute best today and not trade the first 30 minutes. That has been my weakness. It has been my nemesis. But I'm seeing stock drop. Heart just dropped with it because the bell just went off for me. But I'm so glad I'm developing this discipline. I could very easily say, hey, I'm not going to even show up at the desk until 10 o'clock. But to me, that's not the same as exercising the discipline muscle to sit here and not take a trade. You know what I mean? It's very easy to say, okay, I'm not going to even show up to the desk. That doesn't require much discipline. It's a harder discipline sitting here, watching, and not taking a trade. What do you think, Tamani? And in fact, what I've learned, Tamani, is that the first 5 minutes are very volatile. The first 15 minutes will have you trapped. If you wait 30 minutes, you now have allowed the algos to show you exactly what it wants to do for the day. And then you simply wait for it to do it and then join in on that road trip that it decides to take. What we have here, if you look at the 1 minute chart, you have a natural retest at VWAP. Anytime the stock is underneath VWAP, that is a bearish sentiment. So you have the stock being tested at VWAP. And it is now turning into a bullish sentiment. Well, look who it is. Look who finally decided to show up to work today, guys. It's Dr. J. I guess she finally made it here, huh? Well, anyway, we're glad to have you. So let's give it up for Dr. J and future Dr. T. How is the music today, Dr. J? I was telling Manya yesterday you were complaining that it was too loud. How is it today? We're adjusting our vision on our charts so you guys can see it clearly. I just went over, Dr. J, the importance of waiting the first 30 minutes. The first 5 minutes are so volatile. The first 15 minutes can get you tricked up and trapped. But after that, first 30 minutes, we allow the algos to show us what they want us to do. And we have been on a 4-day winning streak. How about that? 4-day winning streak. We have absolutely no reason to give any money back. We will not be doing so. We're going to be patient. We're going to let the market develop itself. It's quite a gap from yesterday's close. Quite a gap down from yesterday's close. Looking on the daily, closed yesterday at 432. Gap all the way down, 429. During the after hour market, the break of an inverted V right here. But again, it's still too early. That break was under VWAP. Still too early. And one thing we have gotten accustomed to doing around here with some real change, and that's getting easy money. But I have prepared for shorts. I have prepared for a short. Let's send it along here. Again, this yellow line is the pre-market low. This is the pre-market low. This is also now where the stock opened up. So again, what we look for is for people to be in trouble. Who's in trouble? We make our money off people being in trouble and them having to cover up their mistakes immediately. And this is how we make our money. So in this type of scenario that potentially could be taking place, the stock does come back down below this level. A lot of things will be happening. The first thing, it'll be a green to red. Stock is currently green for the day. If it goes below this 429, it will be red for the day, meaning all of the buying that is taking place, all of these guys will be in trouble and have to cover their position quickly. This would also wipe out what the stock has done for the week, meaning the stock was green for the week. Also at this level, the stock will go red for the week as well. Let me show you that real quick here. Okay, here we are right here. This is the weekly chart. And the stock was green. It had a nice size green candle, okay, right here. And you can see that the bears have eaten it up. They have definitely eaten this up. So this would also change the candle on the week from green to red. So everyone who was playing the stock long for the week will have to cover. So a lot of covering takes place below this 429. And I want to be a part of these people hitting the you-know-what handle. back. Okay. So that's just further clarification of why this level is so important and why it will also be defended. So that's not saying it's going to happen, but that's explaining to you the area in the chart where the bulls will be in trouble. And if they get in trouble, what they would have to do at that area. Again, this is the importance of waiting the first 30 minutes. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and step away right now for a brief moment and get me a cuppa, and I shall return. I'm also a little bit nippy. I'm going to get some real change sweater. Be right back. I promise. And I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back. And just in case you were wondering what the actual some real change sweatshirt looks like, let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like. Yay, yay. That's it. Some real change. Everything. Yes. Some real change sweatshirts. So if you would like them, let me know. We can arrange it for you. No problem. You know what I'm saying? So I am here. I am here live in effect. But even though you can't see me, you can hear me. Hear me. I'm here. And more importantly, the market is here. Okay. What is the market doing this morning? No freaking idea. It's doing anything. It's setting itself up for that put that I would love to take. We are seeing a lot of defending going on. Right here, you can tell by these bottom wicks. A lot of defending going on. Back on the view app, that is also another good sign. Huge red candle, that's also another good sign. Goofy, wow. See that? I didn't go yet. Whew, I didn't jump yet. I know it has to be defended. It has to be. Too much is at stake right now. Just got it. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and start taking profit immediately. Got in great. I got in at 177. Beautiful. Beautiful. Book 'em up, luck shot. Did you catch that trade with me? Did you catch that trade with me? Did you catch this trade with me right here? Come on. Come on. Did you catch it with me? Let's show you what. Let's show you right here where I got in at on the option chart. It just sat there and it waited and it just waited. And you acted like I wasn't gonna shoot you. Shot you. 10 contracts. 177 to 192 to 193. Amazing. Amazing. With 10 contracts. Booyaka! And right now it's only a 187. So that's what you call a quick nail. A quick bust. I knew it was gonna happen, but I did not want to be early. I didn't want to be early, but I knew it was gonna happen. I just didn't want to be early. And I knew we couldn't be in it for a long time. But like I said, this line this position has to be defended. It has to. Too much is at stake for them to give it up so easily anyway on the first attempt. Yes, I broke my rule, you guys, because I did not get in. I did not wait until 10 o'clock. But, I even got up and walked away. I even went and got a sweat. I don't know what else to do. Now I have to wait for another entry because I'm not going to chase. That's what I'm not going to do, is chase. This is what it looks like on 5 minutes. Yeah, it's going lower. But I got out at 193. It's at 196 right now. So I'm not impressed with any of this. Again, I'm not trying to get the top and bottom of moves. I'm just trying to eat every day. Yum, 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 yum. That's all I'm trying to do. I just ate very well off those 10 contracts. Alhamdulillah. So much so you're going to have to force me to trade again today. That money was made so fast. 950, 951. That's not always done like that, but we called it and we waited. And not only that, let me show you my my note for today. My trading plan. Look at this. On my trading plan, I called out the 430 puts, which is exactly what I took, the 430 puts. You know what I mean? I wanted to take it all the way down to 427, but it could still possibly get there later on today, but not right now. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be a little bit more patient. I've gotten everything that I could get out of this move. That was the move. I took the shot. The shot presented itself. We took the shot. I mean, bang, I'm smart. So now let's go ahead and sit back and relax and listen to the smooth sounds as we watch the charts. Yeah, it's setting up. It's setting up for more. It's setting up for more downward continuation. It is. It really is. But I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Oh yeah, let me take a shot of what I did for my other guys in the other groups. The key thing is you don't need a long time. You know, as I always say, I'm not here for a long time. I'm just here for a good time. We want to plan our trades. We want to be patient and allow the chart to develop. We want to be able to call out the trade that we're taking. Okay. That particular trade that I took, I explained it to you guys in detail why this breaking point would present a good profitable opportunity that it did. I showed you from the daily chart. I showed you from the weekly chart. I drew a line also pre-market showing you that's also the pre-market low. So you had a lot going on right here for that quick flush That we knew was what was going to happen. Right now, we don't know. But what we do know is that, as I stated, that this level has to be defended because there's a lot to be given up at this level. Yes, when there's some further continuation down, I just don't know how much further. I don't know if I want to be involved. I don't know what to do. To be honest with you, I've already made so much money right now. I can sit here and watch this thing go by. Like for real, you gotta force me to trade. Kind of wish I'd have left a runner on, but I didn't. That would have been the case to leave a runner on for that 427 potential bottom. But again, now you see exactly why I sat on my hands and did nothing. As stated before, this area has to be defended. Too much is given up if this area is not defended. It does not mean that we will not have that further continuation down. But before we do, it's going to be defended. And to me, it's not clear enough for me to involve my money or you guys' money. And that's what I love about going live. It makes me think about you guys' money and put your money in consideration with my plans too. Now it's starting to look like something. But I don't trust it. I just don't. Let's go to the line chart and see if we have an entry. Nope. And even though the stock is going lower, that's not a pattern. You have to get in with a specific pattern. Okay? Let me show you what I mean. Get a little bit off topic here, but I'm getting ready to end it shortly. This, you guys, you see what's going on. I'll put it right here. This is called a playbook. Okay? And look what you say right here. My number one rule. If the trade you take is not in this playbook, you are gambling. So any trade that I take is going to be in this book. It's going to have the name of it, what kind of setup it is, what kind of profit target is, the criteria, where you enter, the risk, profit taking areas, examples of the trade itself. This is how you trade. So just because the stock is going lower, that does not mean we get in it. And that's why it's also good not to look at the screen a whole lot either. Because then you start seeing things that are not there. You see money that other people have made, and now you want to get some too. So it causes you to do something you should not do. Regardless, after every trade opportunity, it is very important that we reset and wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Only 10 o'clock. Trust and believe. A lot more people are going to get in trouble. We just have to be patient and wait. First is coming. The lesson that I've learned is that I should have left a runner. I was so excited, I didn't leave a runner. Whew. Talk about what we do have. We do have supply established right here. Supply is established. Now it seems we are attempting to establish demand. But keep in mind, we did the same thing here, guys, remember? And it ate up all of this. Okay, this is no longer valid. Pre-market low. It's no longer valid. Let's get that out of here. Pre-market high is no longer valid. You can get that out of there. Okay. This is resistance on the daily, supply intraday, and it seems as though we are forming demand finally. Intraday, o'clock, that demand okay. This is what we're looking at. This is where we want to be. These are the trades that we're looking at. For the trade I took, earlier was a break of a V. Also on the 5-minute, breaking through V-Way. To be honest, guys, don't believe I'm gonna trade again. I will have to see an A plus setup for me to trade again. A plus setup, shooting star, a green hammer will be the only thing to make me trade again. Though I have other setups to make money once the money is made. That's the thing. See, we trade to make money. Oh, I love trading. But once the money is made, it's time to stop trading. It's time to go fishing. It's time to go bowling. Time to go to the gym. But I'm not going to put these hard-earned monies at risk. Sir, I came here to make money. I accomplished that. This is my 5th day winning streak, okay? Let's get that up, okay? The 5th day I've been winning, all right? 5 days in a row, okay? Yeah. Huh? It started to do something to me. But I'm taking my time. And let me tell you why, though. Real talk. Because I've been in situations where I've had win streaks and it turned around the next day and lost everything that I made the first 4 days before it. So I respect it every day. I've been in this situation every day. So I don't take anything for granted. I'm following the same routine. I'm becoming even more disciplined. I'm studying even more. And the only thing that is happening is that when I come to the market, I'm getting a chance to exercise. I'm getting a chance to have fun. This is where all the hard work that I put in outside the market pays off. So once it has literally paid off, then it's time to turn it off. So I really tried to stay here to see if there was another trade, so I can help you guys make some more money. But we're not a magician. We don't make things happen. We just wait for them to happen and then we act. Literally, it might not even be another trade, you guys, till 10:30. But for me, yeah, I'm out of here. Wait a second. I'm setting up for a break of demand play. Setting up for a break of demand play. Setting up for a break of demand play. Setting up for a break of demand play, which would make a new low. If we can get below this 428, like we just did right there. I need to see a close on the 5-minute candle and it's still early. It's early. See that? We're only 50 seconds into this 5-minute candle. Just like we thought that this candle was going to be a big green candle. You see what happened at the end. That's why it's so important that you wait for these candles to close. It's so important for you to wait for these candles to close. Early anticipation, because I'm thinking it's getting ready to get in. It could have cost me dearly. Which is why I'm not fooled. There's no buying strength down here. There's no reason for the bulls to buy. 427 is where they should buy at. Unless this is just building liquidity to go lower, which is potentially to happen. But when you have the skill to identify the charts, identify what's going on, you understand structure, you're able to take money from the market every day. So you don't have to sit here and try to milk every position because opportunities will present themselves. Yeah, setting up, break a demand. definitely trade right now. Put in right now, and then use the stop over stop over demand for your cover. So it definitely was a break of demand. Absolutely, definitely could have taken it. Just can't chase it though. Very clear break of demand play. Very clear. Mm. Wow. Woo. Now, see, that's something I need to work on. Do I have that much money that I can afford to not take this next trade? That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Sweet break of demand trade. I tell you, I see it all the way down to 427. I see it. Into view. It's coming into view. Profit target is coming into view. Dr. J, did you take this trade? I want to definitely take a picture of that because that was a textbook. That was really a textbook breaking the man. I feel guilty. I feel guilty for not taking the trade. I feel guilty for not taking this trade. I feel guilty for leaving runners. No, I wasn't chasing. It was a break of demand. Clearly was a break of demand. We had demand set up, established right here on the 5 minute chart. And then we had to push away from it, come right back to it, and then break below it. And the reason I feel guilty is because that is a play in the playbook. Look right here, the playbook. Shooting star. Look at that break of demand. Occurs on the downtrend, demand is established and the price pushes away from demand, sometimes all the way to VWAP, but then it returns to the demand area and breaks through it. Confirmation of price closing below the demand area on the 5 minute charts. And the next candle is also red. Okay, that's exactly what we had here. had demand, established the price, pushing away from demand, coming back to it, breaking below it, and this candle being red. Same thing here. In the 1 minute, price pushing away after demand was established, coming back, breaking through it. And once it breaks through it, the next candle is red. Man, this really, really hurts. Because I made a lot of money, but I could have made so much more. So much more. I'm thinking I'm doing something, getting out of 190. The stock is at $3 right now. I'm thinking I'm doing something at 193. The stock is at 318 right now. Triple. I'm sick. It ain't even about the money. I could have traded this back. And look, on my plan, trading plan, take a spot put at 430. Get out of the spot put at 427, right where she is right now. Triple the amount of money I could have made. Man, I feel like a jack. No, that's me beating up on myself. Man, it's a horrible win. Oh my God. I can't stand the money I made. Somebody slap me. Ow! Guys, I can't take it anymore. You can see right now, the stock came to where I thought it would. 426.99. 426.99 is where the stock came to. I left a lot of money on the table. But I will be back tomorrow, inshallah. And I will trade better tomorrow, inshallah. This is Abdul Shabazz. Some real change. Stop trading journey. Bye.